Hello everyone, this is Robert, and today's lesson is about making adjustments to the public navigation menu on a website. So this right here is the navigation menu, and it is a horizontally positioned menu designed for responsiveness. In other words, the menu changes as the screen size changes, and it allows people to see the website and the menu system better on a mobile device like a smartphone. And in this lesson, what we're going to do is remove something from the menu and add it back. And in this case, it's going to be pricing. Now notice that there are some menu items that have drop-down menus, or what we call sub-menus. Pricing does not. And that'll make it easy for you to understand in this particular lesson. Now, why would you want to remove a page? Well, you might not want people to see it. A lot of inspectors don't like pricing on their website. Some people start with pricing, then as their business grows, they take pricing off, and then maybe in the future you might want to add it back. So let's get started, and what we need to do is open up the editing environment and then go to global elements for the navigation, because navigation is on every page, therefore it is a global element. Open up navigation, and what we want to do is skip the rich text view and go straight to source view. Alright, now we want to look for pricing. There it is. And look at the syntax. Okay, the syntax is how it's organized. Notice that there is an opening line item tag and a closing line item tag, and that the pricing link, page link or hyperlink, and the actual text for the link are encased and surrounded by the opening line item tag and the closing line item tag. And it works the same way for everything else down here. Line item tags. Don't worry about the ULs right now. Just look at the LI. Even the homepage link, there's the opening line item tag, there's the closing line item tag. Homepage link is encased between the two. Okay? So we want to hide the pricing link without deleting it. Now, obviously, you can just delete. And if you publish that, pricing is gone. But I'm thinking I might want pricing back in my menu maybe 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months down the road. So I don't want to completely delete it. For convenience sake, what I want to do is just hide it from the menu, or hide it from the browser and the general public. So what we're going to do is put commenting tags around that line. And commenting tags are a way for programmers, coders, web developers to insert extra information into a web page, maybe for another developer to read, but still hide that information from the browser and the general public. It's also used to, like we're about to use it now, basically to hide a link. Alright, so in HTML, the commenting tag looks just like this. It's super simple. Left arrow, exclamation, dash dash at the very beginning, dash dash, right arrow at the very end. Publish. No more pricing no more pricing link on the menu. Let's say it's 6 months later, we want pricing back. We delete the opening comment tag, and then we delete the ending or closing comment tag. Hit publish. There's pricing. It's back. Okay, that was simple. Now let's say we want to rearrange the menu, and let's say we want pricing to come after homepage. So what we're going to do is just highlight that entire line, cut, do a little bit of house cleaning there, then go up to homepage, hit enter, make a space, and paste. Now when I publish it, the pricing link should come after the homepage link. There it is. And if I want to put pricing back to where it was, I do Control Z on my keyboard. and that will undo, 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 and there it is. Publish again. Pricing is back where it originally started. Okay, let's get a little more sophisticated, and let's say I want to move glossaries in front of galleries, because as you can see right here, there's galleries, and 3 links over, there's glossaries. And glossaries has a submenu. So if you go back to the source view, you can see how that's structured. Okay, here's glossaries. And so there's the opening line item tag. But if you look over here, there's no closing line item tag. And the reason for that is the closing line item tag is down here because it encases the submenu. And the submenu starts with unordered list with an ending or closing unordered list tag, and then line items in between. So really it should look like that for aesthetic purposes. There you go. This entire section right here is glossaries. Now I said I wanted to move glossaries in front of galleries. There's galleries. So all I have to do is just put some line breaks in there, move galleries down. Okay, and then I am going to cut glossaries from the beginning line item tag. Remember, the beginning line item tag is going to be on the same line as the actual link text right there. And by the way, this right here, this and RAQ UO semicolon, that is nothing more than the code that makes the double arrow appear here. Okay. So what I want to do here is cut and go up here and paste. That's it. Do a little bit of house cleaning. So if you look here, galleries was before glossaries, but since I moved it and I'm going to publish it now, glossaries has been moved in front of galleries. And once again, if I change my mind, I hit Control Z, and everything goes back to the way it was. Now, what I like to do is actually work on navigation or work on anything using a program called Notepad++. And the reason, this is the same menu right here that you see right here. But with Notepad++, it actually lets me know where opening and closing tags are by highlighting. So I'm never confused. Okay. Publish my edits. Everything's back to normal. And that's all there is to it. You know, if you want to move something around, just look at the syntax. Look how something's laid out, just like on a submenu. You know, if I want the agreement to be before sample report, I cut agreement and I paste it in front of sample report. That's all there is to it. Okay, well, let me know if you have any questions. Happy inspecting.